Right, I made a mistake on the last short. That was actually, the last short was actually the 1623 Avanti West Coast service to London. This coming now should be, no, actually that would be after Glasgow Central. So there's 2 trains going to Glasgow Central. There was one that was delayed by about an hour. This one's being delayed by about 7 minutes. So now there's congestion on the line. Oh, here it comes. So now there's congestion on the line because there's 2 Avanti Pendolinos behind, one behind the other. So this can be worked by 390, 155. Yep. Oh, there was a flipping nameplate there, I didn't see that. They got the tilting mechanism on, even though it's not really tilting around the corner. I thought they only did that at speed.